Bamboo is another option to make cricket bats besides traditional willow. If you have an interest in cricket, this video is for you. Please watch it till the end and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Experts have suggested that traditional willow tree used to make cricket bats could be replaced by bamboo stems to increase their sustainability and boost the sport's reach. Willow has been the principal material for cricket for centuries. However, despite good innings, there are problems with the supply of English willow. It takes about 15 years before a tree can be harvested, after which new trees must be planted. About 15 to 30% of wood is also wasted during bat production. By contrast, bamboo, a grass, is a cheap, plentiful, fast growing, and sustainable material. Maturity is reached after 7 years, and shoots can regrow from previous stumps. Many cricket playing countries have a prevalence of bamboo, like China, Japan, and South America. Sports engineers reveal that their prototype bat blade was made from strips of bamboo shoots stuck together with a resin adhesives and formed into layers. When compared with the willow bat, the bamboo bat was found stiffer, harder, and stronger, although more brittle and heavier. It also produces similar sounds while striking a ball. The bamboo bat also has a larger sweet spot closer to the toe of the bat. The sweet spot is a region on the bat where, when the ball hits onto that region, it flies away at high speed. Cricket regulations emphasize the need for wood-made bat blades, meaning bamboo bats would be most likely used for training or recreational games. Another sports engineer not involved in current research even welcomed the study and said it showed a potential new use for bamboo. However, just because bamboo is more plentiful than willow does not mean bats made from it would be more sustainable. Keeping in mind the whole life cycle of its production, including resin lamination and biodegradation. If you find this video informative, please like, share, and comment to let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Stay safe and sane. Science will win.